next thing I wanted to show you was the Magic Brand Kit. So this is different than a branded template, which we also offer. So a brand kit, what it will do is it will provide you with colors, logos, and fonts of your brand. It's a very quick way of creating a branded looking video based on your company. And again, it's different than our branded templates that we build out with our creative services team, where we will make you motion graphics, we'll make you scene design. So if we look here, I'll show you what it kind of looks like. Each of these scenes this is not a branded, this is just a public template, so anyone can use this. And it has, all these scene designs for you. Our branded templates look different. So I'll show you what that looks like. But for now, I want to show you the brand kit. So if we go to brand kit and I put in Lumen5.com, we hit continue. What Lumen5 will do at this point is it'll look at Lumen5. It will look at the color palette that you use. It'll look at the fonts that you use, and it'll identify them and then change the video to look more like your brand. So this is a real good solution for teams or people that want to have a branded look, but don't feel like they're at the point where they can use a branded template yet. So as you can see, it's identified our colors, our neutral colors, our fonts, and our secondary fonts, and our watermark. Now, if we hit save and apply, this will apply it onto this template to make it look like a Lumen5 video. So you can see here, we've got all the watermarks in the top corner. All the fonts have changed to match our video as well. So for some reason, it didn't change the colors. So that might be a bit of a bug that's happened, because it should have changed the colors, I think. Yeah, I should have changed it to one of these. This is in our brand. So I forgot that we just did a rebrand, and this screen is part of our brand. So it has changed things to look like that. So that is how Magic Brand Kits work. And they're a really good solution and middle ground for people that want to create branded videos without investing in a branded template.